Hi, my name is Rebecca Giguere. I'm a Senior Research Associate from Florida State University at the Center for Translational Behavioral Science at the College of Medicine. I recently published a paper titled The Young Adult-Centered Healthforce Training, YACHT Program to Increase HIV Testing and Pre-Exposure Prophylaxis Referrals Among Young Sexual Minority Men in Florida. Protocol for a Type 2 Implementation Effectiveness Hybrid Trial with a Stepped Wedge Design. This paper was published in JMIR Research Protocols. In our paper, we describe the protocol for a program that promotes developmentally sensitive and culturally relevant HIV counseling and testing and referral services for young sexual minority men in the state of Florida. We are working with state-funded HIV testing sites to conduct mystery shopper visits and share the findings with agency directors to support uptake of evidence-based interventions. This includes offering a tailored motivational interviewing training for testing staff. We hope this program will help to increase testing among key populations. We chose to publish our paper in JMIR Research Protocols because it is a key platform for publishing funded research protocols. We wanted to create a scientific record of our methodology and contribute to the emerging implementation science literature.